Resource recovery goes further than just the management of waste, and it has an essential role in achieving sustainable development. It is part of the circular economy in which the extraction of natural resources and generation of wastes are minimized, and in which materials and products are designed more sustainably for durability, reuse, remanufacturing, and recycling. Resource recovery is the process of recovering materials or energy from solid waste for reuse. It is the activity of separating materials from waste that can be recycled into new products or used as an energy alternative to fossil fuels. The main goal is to divert as much waste from landfill as possible, hence to secure a waste-free and more sustainable future. The aim is to make the best use of the economic, environmental, and social costs of these materials before they are permanently laid to rest in a landfill. There is a hierarchy set for resource recovery: reduce first, then reuse, remanufacture, recycle, incinerate, with energy recovery, and landfill last. Reducing resource usage requires no further explanation, as the name suggests it. The method is based on the prevention of unnecessary use of resources. We are similarly familiar with reusing products. For example, charity shops and refurbished, renewed, or resealed items are the perfect example of how reusing works in practice known by all. With recycling, there is more than sorting waste into different bins. We can recycle items by breaking them down into elements, then reproduce similar products with slightly inferior quality. This is called downcycling. For example, in the context of paper and cardboard recycling, each additional loop results in a reduction of the length of cellulose fibers. As a result, recovered paper cannot always be used for the same applications that virgin paper can. Upcycling is the opposite of downcycling. It involves the transformation of waste into secondary raw materials and their subsequent use in relatively high-value applications. A simple example might be a lamp made from bottles or furniture from pallets. The term pre-cycling may be familiar to you, which is another name for reduce and reuse. We can decide which is the right way for our business, or we can combine them. Just make sure we are not wish cycling. It means putting something in the recycling bin and hoping it'll be recycled, even if there is little evidence to confirm this assumption, because if we do, we only make the job harder for those who work at recycling facilities. There are clear benefits of implementing resource recovery in our business models. First, it might come with potential financial advantage if the right methods are adopted. Companies with large amount of byproducts should not miss the opportunity. In addition to the possible financial advantage, resource recovery is substantial to secure our future and to satisfy the rapidly growing segment of environmentally conscious consumers.